Hey, what are you doing?
No.
Oh, no. Hey guys, what's up? Alright guys, yes, in this video I will show you how to create this helicopter. First I will show you and I will teach you how to build this, and then I will showcase this helicopter at the end of the video. Alright. Alright guys, yes, it's finally done. Look at this guys. Even without using the scaling tool, there is still some curves, some slopes of course. So even here, the shape top view, you can see some slopes here. And then yes, the curve, what do you call this guys? Some kind of a legs for the helicopters. I like that. We were able to create some slopes for this. So if you look at farther, looks like built with scaling tool, right? Even though this is not powered by jet turbine. It's time for you to do the mechanic. So watch that next video so that you can do this mechanics. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you love this. Bye bye.